Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing an unboxing for American Influencer Beauty Bundle. This is their October and November box because they do it every 2 months. American Influencer Beauty Awards, they focus on influencers that have their own brands. Like the last box focused on Pure Lease. I don't remember the creator's name, but it was a Pure Lease brand. This brand they're focusing on is Give Them Lala. I'm not sure who that is. Anyway, her name is Lala. I don't know. Never heard of her. So, they do give prices of everything, so I will put it up in the on the screen when I edit. So if I don't say it, I will have it up on the screen. So anyway, first thing that I'm pulling out is a mask from AIA. It's cute, I guess. It says AIA cotton face mask, fits comfortably and snug on face, providing durable protection to the face. That retails for $12. Okay, sure. Alrighty. Then we have the Lala Hydro Matte lipstick in the shade I Love You. I Love You. And that retails for $16. It says, this comfortable formula dries down matte and leaves your lips looking kissable and flawless. Smudge proof, long lasting, and beautiful. I Love You is a true fire engine red. Okay. There's what that looks like. It sure is. Let's see. Give you a swatchy swatch. Oh wow. That's pretty. I like that. Okay. Next one is Lala Cushion Cream Lipstick in the shade Send Nudes. Hold on a second, I have to let my cat out. Okay, sorry about that. This was the Cushion Cream Lipstick in Send Nudes. Same packaging as the other lipstick. There's the color there. Let's see. It says, this irresistible cushion formula applies creamy and high pigmented for a beautiful full coverage look. It's non-drying and feels like soap, so you'll barely notice it's there. That retails for $16. Well, that is nice. There's the color there. That's pretty. I'm not digging the... I mean, it's nice that they sent lipstick, but do I really need 4 of them? I mean, if she has other stuff in her line, I would rather have done maybe one lipstick. Oh well, that's okay. This one is the Lala Hydra Gloss in the shade Trippin'. With one swipe, this high color payoff gloss delivers your lips with what? With one swipe, this high color payoff gloss delivers your lips with full coverage shine. That sentence doesn't make sense. The non-sticky formula can be worn on its own due to the full coverage consistency or over your favorite Give Them Lala cream or matte lipstick. Okay. They need to proofread more, I think. Is that color there? That. It's nice. Okay. And the last lipstick they have is Lala Lip Quencher. Where is it? Let's see. In the shade Wet. This lightly tinted lip oil glides onto the lips to deliver moisture and a juicy look. It provides your lips with glossy hydration without any tackiness to create volumized, high-shine lips. Apply any time of day on its own, over your favorite lipstick, or before bed as a lip treatment. Retails for $18. Okay. That's what that looks like there. They say it's not sticky, but to me it does have a tackiness. Does it say it has a tackiness? It says without any tackiness. Let me see. I don't have nothing on my lips, so let's see. That is really thick. I don't think I quite care for that. No. I'll use it, but it's not going to be my favorite, so. Yeah, $18 for that. That's a no for me. And the last thing in the box is the Give Them Lala, the Pretty palette. There's the... There. Hold on a second. Sorry, I had to wipe that lip gloss off because it was just horrible. Ugh. That's cute. I like that. Oh. Still tacky. And here's the palette there. I'm gonna do, let's see, a bottle of rosé, One Night Stand, and Rich Girl. They're kind of pretty. Pretty nice. So that's yeah, that's all of that was in there. I'll have the grand total on the screen around here of how much the box was worth. The Pure Lease one was a lot better than this one. I mean, this one's all right. I mean, I am trying a new brand I've never heard of before, so I think that's cool. That's what I kind of like about this subscription box. But I I mean, getting mostly all lipsticks. I have a lot of lipsticks, and I mean, I would have liked to try other things besides lipsticks. I mean, yes, they did give us a palette, but if she had like maybe blushes or highlighters or something, I would prefer to get like one item from each category, you know what I mean? So this is, it kind of disappointed me a little bit, so, but I will still keep the subscription box unless they really, you know, I'll give it another chance. That's what I'm trying to say. So anyway, hope you guys enjoyed. Give us a thumbs up if you like subscription box unboxings. Subscribe if you have not. We'd love for you to join the fam. And click that bell if you like more notifications from me. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.